Welcome back to Hanukkah 2019 here in Munich. We have arrived at the Indium Corporation booth, and I'm standing here alongside with Chris Nash from Indium Corporation. From the top, how is your feeling about this year's Hanukkah?
I think the show has been absolutely terrific. I mean, if you look around, we're busy as ever, and our customers are throughout the show. What we've been hearing is that it's been a very good show for them as well. So it's one of the bigger shows in the world, and I wouldn't miss it for the world, and neither would Indium.
Right. Also, we are closing in on the end of 2019 as well. How has this year been treating you at Indium Corporation?
You know, I think it's been a weird year with all the geopolitical things going on in the world.
Yeah.
It's hard to see what the future is going to bring. Indium's done a very good job. Solder paste sales are strong, but as a whole, Indium it's kind of been a soft year. Our preform business is another strong area for us as well, but the future is uncertain. I think that uncertainty is really bringing challenges to the industry as well. You know, are people buying equipment, and are people setting up new lines? What can we expect for 2020 and beyond? So it's a challenging place that we're in now, but we've all persevered and we'll push through it together.
Right. So here at Hanukkah at your booth, what are your showstoppers?
Sure. So from an SMT standpoint, we have a few different alloys that we're showcasing at the show this year. Durafuse is a low temp solution that is a very unique solution because usually you're stuck with a bismuth contained alloy or an indium based alloy. Indium's a semi-precious metal, so it's relatively expensive, where bismuth is brittle. So you're stuck with kind of a pick your poison scenario. Well, Indium's come up with the Durafuse LT technology, which is a cost-effective solution in a low temp range where we can melt peak temperatures of 200 to 210 degrees C and provide ultimately same or better drop shock performance than SAC 305. The other alloy that we're showcasing is our Indoite number 292, which is our high reliability solution for more automotive applications where they have thermocycling needs of minus 40 to 150 degrees C. So that's a really challenging area for the industry because of voiding concerns that they've had with legacy products that also offer the high reliability. So we're bringing to market a kind of a lower voiding, more ductile type alloy for those applications.
Right. Speaking of the automotive industry as well as the 5G industry as well, key markets for Indium Corporations, what is the current status and your development in those particular markets?
Sure, I think we're developing for those markets along with all the other markets that we serve, whether it be mobile or industrial as well. But the automotive is near and dear to Indium Corporation. You know, we're looking at obviously lower voiding. Voiding is always a concern. I think that's why a lot of people are looking at vacuum reflow. But we have flux solutions and material solutions that we're able to reduce voiding to usable levels. You know, less than 15, less than 10% voiding, where a lot of people are still stuck in the 40%, 30%, 20% range. The infrastructure is also 5G. They're also really concerned with voiding as well, especially under power amplifiers, and that's where we get into some of our preforms. So preforms, flux-coated preforms will be used under power amplifiers to reduce voiding, eliminate the amount of flux underneath that power amplifier. But solder paste is also used, obviously, on all the SMT builds as well. So we have low residues, high reliability electrically speaking, that meet enhanced SIR requirements, 8.9 HF and the series of 8.9 HF paste really outperform a lot of the materials on the market with electrical reliability and also mechanical and thermal reliability as well.
Right. As we said before, we're closing in on the end of 2019. What are Indium Corporation's outlooks for 2020?
I think it's going to be an exciting year. With some of the new technology that we have on the market now that we're bringing to market in the future, in the foreseeable future, it's really going to be an exciting year for Indium Corporation. From a solder paste standpoint and SMT standpoint, we have a lot of new customers that are coming on board. And a lot of customers that are growing. So it's really going to be an exciting time for us here at Indium.
Right. Well,
and we truly believe that material science does change the world. So we're focused on that.
Well, Chris Nash, thank you so much for the interview, and I wish you a great product Hanukkah 2019 and a lot of attention from your various solutions.
Great, thanks for having me.